Hey everyone!
Hey!
Hey, that was cute!
Yeah.
Welcome to the Rockstar Experience channel. I'm Kashay.
I'm Maya Sade.
I'm Nyla.
Oh, that was cute too. Okay, let's win it today. So today we're going to do a ginger wig install. I know y'all read the what it's called, description. Hold on, let me show y'all.
This is what we working with.
Boom.
Oh, hallelujah.
Wow. Clearly she's the singer.
Yeah.
So make sure y'all follow my girl too.
Yeah.
You know.
MIYASADE. Maya Sade.
Okay. So that's why I'm so excited, y'all. As you can see, my girl has a lot of personality. So Nyla is the makeup artist. Go ahead, tell them about yourself, girl.
I do makeup. My Instagram is at the Chanel brand. It's at THECHANELL and then brand.
It's gonna be on the screen, don't worry.
Yes.
Y'all know I'm Kashay the Rockstar, so let's go on B-roll. Let's get into this install and pay attention. Take your notes, look and learn, whatever you gotta do.
Period. Bye. It's giving forehead.
This girl is seriously crazy, but we just did the straight bags. I used my special oil to oil her scalp. Then we're gonna apply this HD wig cap. Tell her to take off her earrings. And then we're gonna cut out her ears. Once we cut out her ears, we're gonna secure the cap with Gots to Be spray. She's screaming because it's cold. Then we're gonna blow dry it, make sure it's nice and dry, or you can sit the ear client under the dryer. After that, we're gonna secure the back with needle and thread, so we're just gonna stitch it to that anchor braid that we did during her braid down. After we stitch the cap onto the anchor braid, we're gonna cut off all the excess cap. Make sure you get really close to that hairline. I'm using the back of my scissors to roll it up and get as close as possible to her hairline. Be careful, do not cut your client. While my girl's getting her makeup done by Nyla, I'm going to go ahead and prep her wig for the install. You want to prep the wig by hot combing the hairs in the front to the back. You could lay it flat on your hand and just hot comb back away from that front row of the lace. Come on now, look at this makeup. Nyla did her thing. It's the Chanel brand, baby. Okay, now we're gonna tint her cap. We're using two colors. I believe it's Warm Honey and Chestnut and a brand new makeup brush, honey. After we tint her cap, we're gonna go ahead and use those same tones and tint her lace on her wig, just by brushing in the inside of the lace. After we tint her lace, we're gonna measure it to make sure everything lines up good before gluing it down. As you can see, some of the cap was a little too far forward, so I had to cut it off. You really have to do this when working on old wigs. Reinstalling an old wig definitely takes a lot more time than installing a new wig because it just has to be exactly how you did it the last time or how the previous stylist did it the last time. So you want to just keep trying it on, make sure you're in the perfect spot. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Then we're going to use my favorite Bold Hold Active. We're going to apply 3 thin layers. I am using the back of a rat tail comb and just rubbing it in. The first layer I go towards her face just to make sure that cap doesn't roll back when I'm applying the glue. This girl is so crazy. She was singing the whole time. Make sure you do 3 layers though. Sanitize your hands to get all the gunk off and then lay that wig honey. I start with the left side and then I have the client hold and then secure the right side. Or you can do right, left, whichever preference. And as you can see, we are going to have to touch up that hairline and cut off some of this lace. But baby, that wig is down. So we're going to go ahead and secure it. Use your blow dryer on medium heat. Do not burn your client. Just melt it in using the teeth of your comb. This wig looks crazy. After you lay that wig where you want it, cut off all of that excess lace. And the lace that you do want, just go ahead and secure it. Do 3 layers. Use the metal rat tail comb for this one. After you put your layers, press it down with your teeth of your comb. Do this technique across the whole hairline. I started getting a little ahead of myself. I wanted to pluck some of these hairs out because if I had glued that down, those little knots would have stayed. I had plucked some of the hair, but the knots didn't leave. So that's what I was trying to pluck out. We are looking better, and now since that lace is a little light skin, we're gonna go back in with our darker shade. Don't worry about it being too light. We have a couple more techniques to make sure that blends perfectly. Now it's time to customize this hairline by plucking. OMG, I was plucking for days, y'all. You just gotta keep plucking, keep plucking. You tell that client, sit back and cock that head over. I got work to do. Then you want to spray that hairline and hot comb some hairs back to make sure you got a nice hairline going. Just keep plucking until you love it, you know? Look, it looks better already. After you hot comb those hairs back, you're gonna pin her hair up and then apply this Ibn adhesive melting spray. I sprayed it on my hand because the nozzle just be doing too much. It be getting their face wet, and I know Nala would have cussed me out if I messed up her makeup. So I just sprayed it on the back of my hand and just dabbed it. And then I'm gonna go in with the other adhesive spray by Ibn and just layer that up. I'm telling y'all, this is the gold right here. This is it. Then apply that melting band. After you apply the melting band, you're going to secure the back of the client's wig by stitching it to that anchor braid, just like we did the cap. Make sure you don't sew the melting band onto the wig. Yes, we are starting to look like something. Now it's time to get my favorite bio silk and just work that into the hair. And to help it deeply penetrate, we're going to blow dry it into the hair. Yes, y'all didn't have faith in the beginning. Y'all got to keep hope alive. After we blow dry the bio silk in, go ahead and create your part. This color looks so beautiful on her skin. After making sure her part is good, go ahead and grab your best friend, that hot comb, baby. Because I want a nice silky finish, I'm going to flat on her hair and use the hot comb to make sure it is nice and flat. Don't be talking about my flat irons either, y'all, because these flat irons have been through some things. Clearly, they work like magic. They are the iron flat irons from Sally's, and they are literally my best friends along with this hot comb. Now you can't tell me that don't look good. You want to do that all over the head, and look, yes. Now that we have it all nice and straight, we're going to go ahead and cut the layers. Yes, look how that hair just is on a nice diagonal. I love it. Face framing at its finest. After you cut your layers, go ahead and curl. Now she know this about to look good. I could tell she feeling it. I'm feeling it too. I was getting pumped because this is my favorite part, y'all. I'm not even gonna hold you. Like the install and all that is great, but the styling is the icing on the cake. Oops, I almost forgot about her baby hairs. Let's go ahead and do those. Usually I would have did that before I did these curls because I had the curls like falling in her face. So hurry up and do those baby hairs so I can show y'all how it looked. And I use that Ibn adhesive spray for the baby hairs because that don't let me down. I was using Got To Be before, but that Ibn is a little bit more powerful. Lastly, use the concealer one shade lighter for her part. You can use your pinky to smudge it in, or if you have a makeup brush, use that, a small makeup brush. Now it's time to comb out these curls, and yes, my girl looks dreamy. This is it. Nala and I ate. Look, she came back through to touch her up. Oh my gosh, like dream team, baby, dream team. If you stayed all the way to now, I thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you want me to do next. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed. And watch my girl work.
Smooches. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Make sure y'all come back to her channel and make sure you're subscribed as well. Besitos a todos. Mwah.
Period.